Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the subwoofer, or they call it the number 3 speaker, that's located in the back hatch of this 2023 Toyota Sienna. Now this particular speaker is present on the models with a JBL 12 speaker system. The other trims have 2 speakers in the back. Procedure is similar but a little bit different. We will start by removing these 2 access covers right here. Use a plastic trim tool to disengage it, and I'll put the links in the video description for the tools that you may find useful in performing this job. So we have a little notch right there that we can get the trim tool into, and then just work your way around. This cover is just held by a number of these clips, and then there are 2 claws at the end. So don't try to pull it from this side. Disengage it from here and then pull it out like this. And then do the same on the other side of the hatch. And now you have a 10mm head bolt right here to remove. And the same on the other side of the hatch. And now this panel is held on by a bunch of clips. You just grab it anywhere through one of these openings and just gently disengage it and go all around and disengage all the clips. So you can see the red ones right there on the back side. That's what's holding it on. And then just check all the holes and make sure that none of the clips get left behind. Sometimes they stick in the holes, and then when you go to put the panel on, you won't be able to reinstall it because the clip will be preventing you. Well, you'll reinstall it, but it's not going to be done correctly. To remove the subwoofer, or they call it the 3rd speaker, or speaker number 3, we'll disconnect the connector here and then remove a number of these 10mm head bolts holding it to the back door. Just squeeze this little black tab in and then pull the connector out. And now remove the 6 10mm head bolts. Support this thing so it doesn't fall on your head. And when all the bolts are out, you can take this box right out of here. To test the subwoofer, we can check the resistance between the pins. So it's a 4-pin connector, and we'll check between pins 1 and 2 and pins 3 and 4. And it should be between 4.2 to 6.4 ohms for either of the pairs. We have 4.5 between pins 1 and 2. And 4.6, 4.7 between 3 and 4. So perfect. This subwoofer is good. It passes the test. If the resistance is significantly outside of the specification, it means it needs to be replaced. To reinstall the subwoofer, bolt it back in with the 6 bolts that we previously removed. They don't give you the torque spec on them, but around 4 foot-pounds or so will do. They don't have to be super tight, just tight enough that they don't rattle or the subwoofer doesn't fall off. So once you tighten them, you can go ahead and plug the connector back in. So insert it until it clicks. To install this cover, just again double check that none of the clips were left in the body of the vehicle. If any are left there, remove them with a clip remover and reinstall them back into the cover. And then just line the cover back up, nice and level. And then go around and engage all the clips. Make sure they all clip in by going around and just pressing in all the areas with your hand, otherwise you can have rattles and whatnot. And then once you're satisfied, we can reinstall the bolt. They don't give a torque spec on these, but around 4-5 foot-pounds is plenty. It's good. Reinstall the cover. You've got the 2 hooks and then 4 clips. And then do the same on the other side, the bolt and the cover. And there you go. All done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more Toyota Sienna maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.